Okay, you guys, so hopping right into this video, I am going to make this short and sweet. So I'm going to make some apple pie dumplings, in other words. Well, they'll be fried, okay? So we're using a can of biscuits. I definitely wish I had a larger can of biscuits, like the large biscuits, but I only had the mini. And I am the queen of using whatever I have in the fridge. Okay, so I took a biscuit and I flattened it up a bit. Now you can put some flour on a rolling pin and you can roll them out, or you can just use a spoon or a measuring cup, whatever you have. Okay, so I'm using a can of apple pie filling as well. And so I am just taking the apples, putting them on one side of the biscuits, and then folding it over and putting the little line indentions in with a fork. Okay. Okay, so once I did the first one, I saw that I needed to stretch these biscuits out just a little bit more. So I did stretch out the second one. Some I actually did like 2 biscuits for one, which I just flattened one up and then flattened another one up and used it as the top. Okay, so now they are all completed. I saved you guys the misery of watching me do each and every last one of these. So I am putting them on my baking sheet. I actually lined it with some foil and sprayed it with some spray butter. And now I'm going to poke holes at the top of each one. This is very, very, very important. Poke the holes, okay? Poke the holes at the top of each one. And now I am just going to wash them up with some butter. Go ahead and wash all of them, even the edges, okay? You can use the egg wash as well, but I'd rather not waste my eggs and just use butter. And then I'm going to pop them in the oven to bake. They did bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I say 15 to 20 because I wasn't paying attention. Okay, and halfway through I took them out because I remembered that I did not put the brown sugar and cinnamon mixture. So then I mixed that up and I sprinkled that on top and put them back in and bake. And look how these apples are bursting out. You know, the apple pies are definitely good when it's bursting out and definitely tastes better hot. So now I'm adding some icing on top, which is just some icing sugar and some milk. Hope you guys enjoy.